Darshan, of course, joins in with the story that's created wealth in Rane Holdings. Darshan?
See, today we are talking about the Rane Group stocks, and the holding company is Rane Holding. The stock is up almost 15% since listing. It's a mega wealth creator, and in the last 5 years, only in terms of dividends, they have paid almost 63 rupees. So it's a dividend paying company. The dividend yield is extremely high. Now, if you're plotting the graph, you can see that majority of the move came in the last few years. So if you just see the price movement, this is the actual move that has come in from 2010 to 2010 to currently, and that is why, because that is the reason there is a lot of change as far as the perception is concerned and business is concerned. Now, it's the holding company for the Rane Group. Basically, it's an auto giant. It caters to everything in terms of steering, valve train and friction material. So they have 3 listed companies here, okay, and all of them are in fact in their own rights multi-bagger. First of all, it's Rane Madras, which is up 6 times since listing, and this actually caters to the steering business of the company. Then you have Rane Engine Valves, which is up 4 times since listing, and this is for the valve train business of the company. And finally, there is Rane Brake, which it's a 46% stake by Rane Holding, and it is up almost 11 times since listing. So this is the company which has created a lot of wealth. Apart from it, if you're looking at it, the customer profile, clearly you can see the who's of who of Indian automobile as well as global automobile. They are part of the customers. They are all part of the customers of Rane Group. Now, in terms of the contribution, majority of the contribution comes in from Rane Madras. 26% of the top line of the company comes in from Rane Madras. There are 2 unlisted JVs that they have, which contribute 22 to 23%, which are also in the steering business. And finally, you also have Rane Brake and Rane Engine, which contribute 10% and 14% respectively. Now, Rane Madras, which is the flagship company, what are the catalysts for the company going ahead? There is pickup in tractor sales and new orders from Maruti. So extremely active in Baleno, Brezza, so that is there, and the new Swift that will be launched soon, and Renault also. Rane TRW steering, mandatory airbags, it deals in airbags. So mandatory airbag is the next big trigger for this company, and tractor business revival. It's an unlisted company. Rane NSK steerings, again Maruti is the big trigger here. Baleno, Brezza and the new Swift, which will be launched next year. These are the big catalysts that they have. Rane Brake, FI margins, FI16 margins were at 12.2%, which is the highest in the past 5 years, and after sales segment is the big trigger. And finally, you have Rane Engine Valve, which is not doing well, and weak demand from Europe is impacting financials, and this company needs some bit of turning around to do.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.